Hello and a wonderful good day from Malaysia. My name is Rudolf Herrmann. I am the first tourism hero accorded by WTN in Malaysia and was asked to give my part to the industry, which I full, wholeheartedly would like to do. So I have done myself together with a few of the industry colleagues to found our Malaysia chapter for WTN in this launching month. And I'm very happy to announce about our chapter. Um, Let me do a short presentation about that. All right, here you go. WTN Malaysia is launched this month together with the global network. And we are concentrating on post-COVID travel and tourism to help our colleagues in worldwide, actually, uh, to have informed decision-making process for any of the trade players. Um, we support the networking among the stakeholders, and I will show you how. And we are doing promotion of the accreditations, that means the seals of WTN. Our structural setup here in Malaysia is with the governor, secretary general, treasurer, VPPR, and VP members. And the main focus is on resilience and recovery for airlines and transport, hotel and accommodation, food and restaurant, distancing, social distancing, rules, anything that is going to do with it, any tips. Also for the same, of course, airline and transport or hotel and accommodation or food and restaurants, and about cleaning protocols, sanitation for the same segments. We have various resources to assist. We can provide relevant feedback from our experience and information. And we are having through the network with WTN, which is immense, specialized individuals for reference for you. Our approach is the professional global LinkedIn group, which we have actually created not even a month ago, and we have about, at this moment, a few hundred members already who are actively contributing to this and who are gaining from the information that we are providing. That is the one that I'm going to show you. Then we, of course, support the WhatsApp group from the HQ and the Facebook from HQ Worldwide WTN, together with the trade players and stakeholders in Malaysia and global. This is the LinkedIn group that I was talking about. It started up with Reopen Travel from 2021, Sustainable, where we are posting every day relevant news about COVID, about re-entry of the market, about starting your business again, to give you the information that you need in your relevant segment, to be aware when is the best time and what is the best approach. Maybe have some examples from others worldwide of what they are doing, just to get on the feet in a sustainable way again. We do have promotion communication efforts together with the WTN Global to promote resilience and sustainability, like I said, in the post-COVID tourism world. And we will take it on our local and regional level here in Asia, in Malaysia as well. Those are the most important seals that I was talking about. The Safer Tourism Seal is a seal that is accorded by the WTN. We will evaluate your efforts if you are a player in the hotel industry or in the transport industry, in the destination management, and maybe a theme park, maybe a hotel, a restaurant, any service provider in our industry. You are following specific protocols to make it safe for the customers to visit your place. We will evaluate whether this is good enough, give you some tips to get better, and eventually you will get the seal that you can prominently display and make customers confident to visit your entity. For those like me who done some mentoring, training, achieving special aims, get acknowledgement from fellow peers, they can recommend to us to accord the Tourism Heroes Award. Those are people who are really trying to give their best to help the industry in a way. And once they are accorded this award, they immediately are put as a member of the WTN community and connected to the Global Heroes community. Now it's about 20 over people in the world who are having this accreditation. We expect that people who are players in our industry who are having this special seal, that they will take on special tasks and keep on being a good example in our industry, help each other. The Rebuilding Travel initiative by the WTN network, that is how everything actually started. And we are supporting it from Malaysia side for sure, especially with our LinkedIn group, which is gaining a momentum of wonderful popularity at this moment. A little bit about me. This is how I was accorded in October the first tourism hero in Malaysia. And this is about our other two founding members that we are having at this moment. And we are still looking forward to welcome more and more team members at this moment. Mr. Sam Liu, he tries to get more into the PR side, and Mr. Hishamuddin for the secretary side. You can reach us here in Penang in Malaysia, or of course with email malaysia@wtn.travel. I'm very happy to announce our chapter is open now, and looking forward to get a lot of support from everybody. Thanks a lot. So I would like to show this is our Rebuilding Travel group on LinkedIn, which I would like to invite you to come and join us. Some of our posting. Mr. Sam, our co-founder. How is it that the small local hotel chains are beating Hilton, IHG, and Marriott in dealing with COVID-19? Some stories that people run away from the lockdown, about cruising, about hospitality industry and COVID, travel restrictions, some news about that. Hawaii's new remote work program. We can get some ideas. Travel restriction lifted in Malaysia. One of the first hotels to get the health security verification. So you can get some ideas what you can do. Guide for policymakers, passenger recovery for airlines, IATA, best practices. Some ideas from other trades, how to go about with the reopening. Somebody asked whether it's good to start a travel agency now during COVID. So we have an interactive forum where you can answer and give help to others. It's about the biggest travel agent in the world, TUI, how they get some support. ShareCare, the product that is giving a health seal. Indian travel agents want to go to London, want to help their customers to go to London and get vaccination. Plenty of ideas actually you can get from there. So I hope you join us, join our initiatives, and if you need any help from us, please just contact us. We will be here to help. Thanks a lot and have a good day, everybody.